I'm Chad Hurley. I'm the Director of IT here at Big S Fans. We're an international manufacturer of commercial and industrial ceiling fans and lighting. I think people realize from our name, which is a lot of fun, that we're doing things a little bit differently here. And when they look behind the scenes and they see how highly engineered our products are, I think they understand that we're more than just a fan company. We're a technology company. It's in our DNA to innovate. This company was founded on innovation. It's what's gotten us here. It's what'll take us into the future. It's fundamental to the growth of any company to embrace the cloud and the data-driven manufacturing process. It's not really a new thing anymore. It's how you're going to stay competitive. It's how you're going to deliver on time. It's how you're going to continue to innovate. We have to look at our products now, not just as fans, but as digital platforms that have software components that can change over time. Our Haiku residential line of products not only allows the end user to control the fan speed and the lights from their mobile device, but we also have a one-of-a-kind system that does occupancy sensing, humidity detection, and temperature sensing, all in tandem to make a true one-of-a-kind smart fan. We push our innovation through reimagining our products constantly, and we do that by embracing the new, embracing all of the technological advancements around us, whether they're in our space or not, and applying those technologies to our products and helping solve the problems of our customers. I think the most critical indicator of success is that we are understanding our customer and that we're providing innovations to help them solve their problems, period.